Hi, everybody. My name is Carissa Shaw. I'm here to introduce myself to my fellow classmates of GPH 732 Community Assessment. Let's talk about a little bit about my home life. I grew up, most of my life. I'm 24 years old. I grew up most of my life, or I grew up and spent most of my life in Rainham, Massachusetts. It's a small town just located about 30 minutes south of Boston and 30 minutes off of Cape Cod. So it's dead center in the middle of two beautiful places. About 2 years ago, I moved to Easton, Massachusetts, which is just 15 minutes down the road. I live here with my boyfriend Ryan and my 16-year-old cat Marshmallow, who is in the pictures below. Um, I have my mom, my dad, an older brother, Ryan, and my younger sister, Kendall, who's also pictured in the far right picture at my brother's wedding 2 years ago. So, what I do for fun, I love CrossFit. I spend most of my days at the gym, at when I'm done with work and school. And I also love to hunt and fish. I met my boyfriend at the gym actually, and he's from Vermont, so he taught me how to do a lot of hunting and fishing, and that's what I do for fun now. I love being outside. I love kayaking, hiking, anything outdoors is really fun for me. Work in education. Right now, I have two jobs. I work as a medical scribe at Franklin Pediatric and Adolescent Care. Basically, I go in with a doctor during the visits and I chart her whole chart for her. So I'm writing everything down. That way, she doesn't have to do it. And it really saves her a lot of time. That way, she can be with her family more often. And I'm also a personal care attendant for a 17-year-old boy with Down syndrome who is pictured below. His name is Chris, and I've been with him for 4 years now, and he's like my best friend. He's one of the most sweet, genuine boys you've ever met, and he's got such a big heart, and I love being with him. Before UNE, I graduated from Bridgewater State University with my bachelor's in exercise science and health fitness. I graduated May 2016. Right after graduation, I decided to go back to grad school, and here I am today. And this is actually my third to last class before starting my practicum in January. So I'm very excited. So in terms of this class, I actually don't have any education or background with regard to community assessment. I'm actually really excited to learn how to assess the health of my community. I kind of live in, a small town, um, and I'm really interested to see what are the pros and cons of living here and health determinants and basically what the social life is here in regards to everybody's health. So I'm excited to see what this class has to offer and what I can put it towards for my future. So it was nice meeting everybody, and I hope you have just as much luck as I do. Bye.